Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the second part of the database question for ICT paper 2 of May June 2023 of IGCSE. If you have not seen the first part, please, you can't even do the second part without the first part. So make sure to follow the first part and do it. And if you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's go with this. The question says, create one-to-many relationship as link between the group code field in the start timetable. So we're using the start timetable and the start code field in the result table. So we're also using the result table. Then you also have a relationship between the card code field in the card code table and the card code field in the result table. So we're using all the tables, the three tables. So let me go back to my access and let's start with it. So we have to create relationship. So to create relationship, go to database to then click on relationship. All right. So when you click on relationship, your table should naturally appear at the right side. But in case your table is not appearing, let's say I'm closing this, it's not appearing, just right click on it and click on show table. All right. So since we are creating relationship between the three tables, so you have here, we are using three tables to create a relationship. Let me try. Uh, okay. Okay, and the third table, I'm putting it here. So let's look at the relationship we are supposed to establish. And you make sure that all your data are showing, or like this. Make sure that every field in the table is showing. So the question says that we should, sorry, let me just move this guy here. We should, the group code field, create a relationship between the group code field in the start table and the start code field. So the group code and the start code, let me bring this one here, the group code and the start code. So the group code, oh, sorry, I forgot again. So the group code field in the start timetable. So this is the start timetable. So and we have to establish the relationship between that in the start table and the start code in the result table. So result table and start timetable. So the group code field and the start time. So you can take this here and start time. Where's start time? Oh, uh, wait. Oh, I didn't get that. Let me take it again. I forgot. I said the group code field in the start timetable and the start code, group code and start code, group code and start code, group code and start code. Okay, so let's so you just take here and drop it to the start code. So the group code and the start code. So you have that. So just create. So that's done. The group code and start code. Then the other one is the card code field and the card code field in result table. So one is in result table, the other one is in card code table. So card code. So one is in result, one is in card code. So result, so card code, result. Don't let me forget. Card code, result. So card code to card code to card code. Okay. So just drop it here. So card code to card code in both tables. So you create. So once you've done that, you have established your relationship. Then the question says that you should place an evidence. So if you're going to place an evidence of this, just click on the relationship here, and then you can just make a screenshot. I know how I do my screenshot. Windows Shift and S. So you okay? Let me do that. So I make this. So go to your evidence document and drop this. So evidence, I think 18. So I'm going to adjust my evidence. It's too big, so you can just adjust it here. Click on this, the last this button here, and adjust. Okay, so this is only showing the card code. Card code. You can also drop both, not just one. You can drop both relationship. Put both relationship in your in your what would I call it? All right, so just go to the card code and card code. I guess let's see. Okay, so let's drop the other one. So just click on this and below. Oh, okay. Click on this other relationship and I think click on it. Then you can do a screenshot of that. So you have uh, Windows Sheet S, and you do your screenshot. All right. So I guess that's done it. So go to your evidence documents and drop the second one. So you adjust because this is obviously too big. So I'm just going to make it as small as possible. Okay. All right. You can make yours as just okay. That is done. And once I've done that, let's go to number 19. Now, this particular question, it now says add a record as the following as a new record in the result table. So we are supposed to add a record. So there are two ways you can add your record. You can I just go to your data sheet table, go to your data sheet and just put the record there. Or you can create a form to add record. So just for us to remember, because I actually did a, a tutorial on question on why database. So there we were asked to use a form to to add record. So I want us to do that. Let's create a form to add record. But if you choose to go to your data sheet via add the record, I think it's fine. So, but these are the things we are supposed to do. You have ACOC. The start code should be ACOC's last name, Wadu, Basil. I hope I remember all these things. I think when I'm trying, but let's just create a form to make the record. All right. So once you're done with that, you can say okay, click okay. Now save your relationship. Click on save or just Control S to save your relationship. Then I think I'm going to close the relationship table. Then let's add the record we are supposed to do. So go to create, go to form wizard. Just the whole thing. I think the whole field we are supposed to put something there. So create next, next finish. All right. So once we are done with that, your the form should open. No, I'm not doing it yet. So here you can just add the record like this. So naturally, I would have just gone straight to the last. Just click on here, last record, and click on next to add a new record. Click on the last and